today we have my buddy Greg, and we are going to be cutting open his skull so we can put him in brain because he is. So we're gonna make a really gooey brain slime, and we're gonna put it inside his head so he can be smart because yeah. So we have a bunch of ingredients. It's gonna be like we're gonna make like really gooey slime, and we're gonna put it as a brain. So we have some glue right here, and then we have some food coloring. We're gonna be using red. We might use blue to make it like a little purple. So yeah, we're gonna use red and blue, probably some other colors. And then liquid latex. You'll see what we're gonna need for this.
Go.
So we have all the slime ingredients. So I think we should start making the brain. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're gonna make the brain, so let's get started. We want the brain to be like sticking out kind of. So I'm probably gonna make a bunch of slime. So we are gonna do it again because we got the wrong activator, but we got the right activator. So we're gonna use contact solution and again, if they don't work. Okay, I'm gonna mix it and I'm gonna tell you guys how it is. Look at I'm gonna fill it with my hands to see if we need more. It worked. Look, it looks like brains. Okay guys, I'm finally ready to do my friend's operation. Put in a brain. Let's do this. Let's let him rest and we'll come back later. See what happens. I don't know what happened. We came in the next morning. It was all perfect. Now, oh my gosh, you guys. What are we gonna do? There's a bunch of maggots and blood. Oh my gosh. And his top fell off. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey guys, this is a really fun thing to do. You guys should try it out. Oh, never mind.
Why?
Because we really fun, and I felt like I was in like the hospital doing actually this. It was weird. Putting all the brains in. But I think that's what they put brains in us, but they didn't. So, yeah, that's all for today. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time it comes. Bye! Ooh. We wanted the brain to be like up, but like it kept on falling because the slime is so like heavy. So yeah. I was about to say comment, but you can't comment, so go on my Instagram, Ariana123R, or go on my TikTok, Ariana.